Hello everyone. Our problem for today is this, which states that without solving the equation k plus 1 x square minus 4kx plus 9 is equal to 0, find the value of k. What does that mean? That means that we have studied many methods through which we can actually find the roots of a quadratic polynomial. Now, one such famous method is Sridharacharya method. This question says that without actually solving this equation, we need to find the value of k. So, how to actually do that is we come to the second part, which says that for which the roots are real and equal. That is, we need to find a value of k for which the equation this have real and equal roots. The second part of the question says that find the roots of the equation. That is, we need to first find the value of k, then substitute the value of k in this equation, and then we need to solve this equation for the values of x. Okay. Now, before going on to the solution, I need to give a brief note on what are real and equal roots. For that, here is a note which says that let ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 be an equation where a is not equal to 0. Now, if a is equal to 0, so this term is equal to 0. And hence this equation is not a quadratic equation. So a not equal to 0 is a must. Now be a quadratic equation. Now the nature of the roots of 1, that is this, depends on the discriminant, which is denoted as d. Now what is the discriminant? A discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Now if the discriminant is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If the discriminant is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. If the discriminant is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Now in our question, we are to find the value of k for which this equation has real and equal roots. So according to this problem, we have the discriminant to be equal to 0. Then we get real and equal roots. So coming on to the solution. What do we have? This is the given equation, that is k plus 1 into x square minus 4kx plus 9 is equal to 0. On comparing this equation with 1, which is 1, this is 1. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Then we have a is equal to k plus 1. B, since b here is with a plus, so b here is actually minus 4k. And c is 9. Now according to the problem, k plus 1 x square minus 4kx plus 9 is equal to 0 has real and equal roots. So the discriminant is equal to 0. What is the discriminant? The discriminant was actually b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac. Now the value of b was minus 4k. The value of a was k plus 1 and the value of c was 9. So substituting the values of b, a, c in the discriminant, we get this equation. Okay. Now 4k square. 4 square is 16. K square is k square. And since we have a minus, so minus minus, it is a plus. Now 4 into 9 is 36. So 36k. Now a minus 36, which is multiplied with 1. We get a 36. Now taking 4 common from this whole thing, we get 4 into 4k square minus 9k minus 9 is equal to 0. Since 4 is not equal to 0 and since these two terms are multiplied, so we can cancel 4. So we are left with 4k square minus 9k minus 9 is equal to 0. Now writing minus 9k as minus 12k plus 3, we get this. Now taking 4k common from the first two terms, these two terms, we get 4k into 4k is taken common from here. So we are left with a k here, a k with a minus minus. 4k is taken common from here. So we are left with a 3. So we get a k minus 3 here. Now 3 is taken common from these two terms. So we get a k minus 3. So we get 4k plus 1 into 4k plus 3 into k minus 3, that is taken common from these two terms, which is equal to 0. Now either 4k plus 3 is equal to 0 or k minus 3 is equal to 0. Now if 4k plus 3 is equal to 0, then we have k is equal to minus 3 by 4. Or if k minus 3 is equal to 0, then k is equal to 3. So we get two values of k, one is 3 and one is minus 3 by 4, for which the equation this has real and equal roots. Okay. Now we are to find the roots of the equation. We are to find the roots of this equation. Now two cases arises. One is if k is equal to 3. If k is equal to 3, putting the value of k in this equation here, we get 4. How? 3 plus 1 into k square. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So we get a 4x square minus 4 into k. So 4 into 3 is 12. So minus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0. Writing minus 12x as minus 6x minus 6x, we get this. Similarly, proceeding as above, we get 2x minus 3 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Hence, x is equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to 3 by 2. This shows that x is real and the roots of the equation this, which was given to us, are equal. Now case 2. If k is equal to minus 3 by 4, then the given equation becomes minus 3 by 4 plus 1, because it was k plus 1. So k plus 1 is now minus 3 by 4 plus 1 into x square minus 4k. K is minus 3 by 4. So minus 3 by 4 x plus 9 is equal to 0. On simplifying this, we get 1 by 4. Now here 4 and 4 gets cancelled out, and here minus 3 and here minus 3 minus, and here a minus 3 becomes a plus 3 and 9 remains 9. Now 4 is getting multiplied with every term of this equation. So we get a x square plus 12x plus 36 is equal to 0. On writing 12x as 6x plus 6x, we have this, and hence we are seen that the values of x are minus 6 and minus 6, which are real and also the roots are equal. Thank you.